Hey guys, what's up? I'm Palak Lakhani. In this channel, I make educational videos focusing mainly on studying in Germany. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So today we have with us Mr. Jinal Patel, who completed his master's in biomedical engineering from Martin Luther University of Halle-Wittenberg. Jinal also has a driving license, which is called Führerschein in German. So I would request Jinal to describe the entire process. So if you are in Germany and you are listening to this video, or if you come to Germany, then after coming here, you can also apply for driving license. So he will explain you the entire process, how to do it.
So to do driving license in Germany, it's complicated. It's a lengthy process and complicated. Depends on you. Actually, it depends on city and states, and depends on which driving school you have chosen.
Okay.
So first of all, you have to do so much research on to find a driving school, because driving school have their different protocols. But the basic things you must do first, you have to find a driving school. You have to register in driving school. They will give you paper. With that paper, you have to go to Führerschein Stelle. It's called in English driving license authority, some office or something. So you go there, you register there. You have to pay some fees, some at Führerschein Stelle, and you have to pay some registration fee at driving school also. But I have heard some driving school, they won't charge as a Anmeldung fees. It's like registration fees.
Okay.
But mostly driving school they charge. So after your registration completed in Führerschein Stelle, you are eligible to give a theory exam. Theory exam will be so many languages, so you can give in English also and in German also. There is a book available in English, so you can go for theory classes also before your theory exam. But it's not necessary, because in mostly driving school in small cities, the lectures will be in German. So if you don't know German, so you just sit at home. You can learn with the app. There are app available in the app. There are more than 2000 questions. So you just go through that questions. It's multiple choice questions, and there are book available also. All details, rules and regulations during the driving in Germany. To pass your theory exam, you are eligible for your Fahrstunde. It's called driving lessons. So if you have already driving license in from India, or you know the you have good driving skills, then you don't need to take so many driving lessons.
Okay.
Because here but you should take minimum 3 4, because in India and in Germany the driving system is different.
Okay. Yeah.
If you are not that confident, then just take 1 2 lessons, and your instructor will decide whether you are applicable for driving test or no. But the main thing is driving language, it's mandatory in German only.
Okay.
No English allowed in but it's easy. He will just say like geradeaus or up rest up Lincoln,
yeah.
links up Lincoln. So
Okay.
it's just easy. Some few words you need to know.
Okay.
And after completion your practice test, you will get your driving license.
And is the the driving exam, easy or it is difficult?
Yeah, actually it's difficult, because I have heard so many German people, they have already traveled with their parents, with their family. They have already rode a car with their family.
Okay.
They also had to take 5 times
Oh,
for
okay.
to pass the practical exam.
Okay.
So actually theory exam is also complicated, because they have directly translated from German to English, the book also and the app also. So
Okay.
some words are
Yeah.
difficult to understand.
Okay.
But it's not that it's not impossible.
Okay, and how much time does it take to complete this entire process? I mean, theory lesson is for how many months, and practical lessons are for how many months?
Theory lessons, it depends on your driving school. If you have a daily like intensive, then you will finish early. It's totally depend on you, because driving license is really costly here, really costly. So if you have no money, or if you have less money, so you can do step by step, slowly. It's not time limit. But after you register in Führerschein Stelle, then in 1 year you have to complete all the things. You can't extend more than one. If you extend more than 1 year, then you have to do completely from the first.
Okay.
So 1 year I think is enough.
Yeah.
So if you have no money at the time, because it needs so much money. It depends, because if you don't know, if you are zero in driving, so you need more driving lessons. So it will cost more. So driving lessons depend. You are new for driving, so it will take more times to learn in Germans, in German roads and traffics. You have to understand, and the instructor will decide that whether you are okay or not for a drive for practice test.
What is the amount, the usual amount in smaller city, and what is the usual amount in bigger cities?
In maximum, I think 1,500 to 2,000 euro you can have your driving license maximum. But there are possibility to do less also, depend your driving skill.
Okay.
But maximum is 2,000.
Okay. And do you advise, I mean, when someone is a student and his master's is going on or his bachelor's is going on, then do you advise him to take this driving license test? Because I think it is very intensive and you need to learn every day for your theory lessons. So do you advise a person to take during his master's or after his master's? What would be suitable?
It depends on their master structure. If he or she doesn't have so many classes, because in not all semester you have so much burden. I think in summer semester you don't have so much burden. So if you have some free, you will get your timetable at the first. So you know when I will be free, how many classes, how many subjects I have, or I don't have any backlog, and in this semester I will be free. So you can start. So it doesn't take much time actually. You have book, you have app, you don't need to go to driving lessons, because there will be German. Anyway, you are going to give your theory test in English, so you just sit home, go through the questions. So in first semester you can apply for your registration things. It will take time for Future Science and everything, and you can pass your theory test. And maybe in second semester you can start for your driving lessons. So it will be easy, like step by step, because you have 1 year. And it cost also so much, so you won't get so much burden at the one time. And if you have time, you can finish in, I think, 20 days. You will have driving license. If you have time and money.
I have heard that it is very difficult to get an appointment at a driving school, because in starting we need to get an appointment, like we need to get our first aid done, then we also need some other papers to be filled, and it is also difficult for us to get an appointment with the driver of the driving school. So there are slots, like in particular slot you have to go and do the driving. So how did you manage all this? I mean, was it manageable, or is it difficult in bigger cities and easier in smaller cities?
So I think it depends on city also, because I think the driving school has really nice arrangement. They have enough instructors, so it will timing also flexible. So time you can choose, but there are some mandatory lessons you have to do in night. There are some mandatory lessons you have to do on highways. So everything. So to get an appointment with the driving school, it's not difficult. You just go there or call. So they will instruct you step by step. You have to do first aid course also. It's also you can take appointment online, and at that time slot and that day you just go. There are 5 to 6 hours practical and lesson things. After that, with that paper, or you need biometric photograph also, or fingerprints, or eye test also. So all paper, and with the registration of driving school, you just go to the Future Science Tell and register, and it's easy. But from Future Science Tell, they will send you one written answer, answer. So it will take little, I think 2 weeks, not more than. So after that you can start your theory exam and everything.
Could you please summarize the entire process if someone is new to Germany and if he wants to learn driving and get a license? So what process can you follow? The summary of the entire video.
So to have a driving license in Germany, actually it's a complicated thing. It's depend on city and depends on state and depend on driving school. So first you need to search most of, I think, the driving schools, and you have to compare like which driving school provided what type of facility, and the fees, what they will provide, fees of registration fees or exam fees. Actually the exam fee will be different, and you have to pay some fees to make appointment for exam to your driving school also. So that is also different. So it's little complicated things. So first you need to know what are the driving schools near your apartment. Actually, you can't do, like, you are living in Halle, you can't do your driving license in Leipzig. You have to do in Halle only. It's a
Okay.
rule here in Germany.
Okay.
So you search first what are the different driving schools are available near your accommodation, near your apartment. Then compare all the driving schools, their prices, their flexibilities, and different kind of, they provide book for to learn, because some driving school they don't provide book because it's English book, so you have to buy online, or maybe you have to search in bookstores or something somewhere. And the app they will provide to learn for a theory test, it's free or they will charge. So first you need to get the driving schools. Then different driving school has different rules. Some driving school they will ask you for to register for Furoscience Teller, like by yourself, or some driving school they will do by themselves. So first you need to find a driving school, then your first aid test, for your eye test, your photograph, with all the information you go to Furoscience Teller. There you have to register. They will charge you some around 50 euro different, they will give you receipt also. And from there they will send you information to your driving school, and then you can start your theory lessons. Theory lessons also in some driving school is mandatory, compulsory, and some driving school allow, because you are giving in English, so some driving school will allow, like, you, it's not mandatory, but in some driving school is compulsory. So if you are giving your driving test in English, so first confirm with the driving school that I am not going to attend driving lessons, because it doesn't make sense, it will be in German, so you are wasting your time. So you can sit home and learn from app or learn from book, and prepare for your exams for driving test.
Okay.
So after if you know, like, you are prepared for your theory test, then you can ask for your driving school to take appointment for your driving test, your theory test. After you have appointment, you have to be on time on that day, and it will take, I think, around 1 hour to
Okay.
give a theory exam. You will get your result at a time. So after you passed your theory exam, you need to take appointment with your driving school, with the instructor, to start your driving lessons. So there are so many different kind of driving lessons. Some driving lessons are mandatory.
Okay.
Some, like in city, you have to do some driving lessons around 12 or something. On highway you have to do 2 or 3 driving lessons. In night also you have to do some 2 or 3 driving lessons. And it's all mainly depend on your instructor. If he or she will be know, like, you are confident or you are eligible for your driving, your practical exam, then he will make like green flag for you, that okay, we are stopping now your driving lessons, and we ask for your appointment for your driving practical exam.
Okay.
And after you have practical exam, you will get your driving license, I think, in 1 month.
Okay. And what happens if you fail in the practical exam?
Then you have to ask for again for second appointment. There are maximum number, I think 5 or something. Then you have to do again from the first everything. If you have failed once, then you have to wait for 2 weeks.
Okay.
So before 2 weeks you
cannot
take,
start
yeah,
again.
you cannot start again. So you have to wait for 2 weeks, and then you ask again for your second, or maybe if it's mandatory, then your driving school will ask you to take some more driving lessons in between. So you will be more confident, and then you will ask for second appointment, and then you go for second driving test.
Okay. Yeah. Then I think that covers everything. So if you have any further doubts, then you can leave in the comment section below. And I hope you like this video. If you did, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you and take care.